Good evening, everyone. Love, and more love. It's Mrs. Gordon. Mrs. Gordon, yes, Mrs. Gordon, reporting from my job tonight. About to leave out of here. Don't forget to come see us, Eastern Food Co-op, Point Breeze. Get your healthy food on. We're shutting down now. It's closing. This is my domain here. This is where you come for customer service and you meet me. Hey. And you meet me. So, tonight I'm just making a short little video. Tonight I'm going home, do a little bit of organizing and sewing. I don't know if I'm going to make any videos tonight, but know that I'm still on track. I'm reading my YouTube book. I'm learning more and more every day about how this stuff goes. Pretty soon I'll put up my email address so people can contact me. I'm going to start a GoFundMe account for my expenses that I need for when I move to Jamaica. And what else I need to put on there? I'm going to try to open up a PayPal. I don't think I've ever had one. I'm going to try that. But it's going to be a long, wonderful journey, and I'm so excited to take this journey. And I'm praying that everybody goes with me. Pretty soon you'll be able to make comments and send me some suggestions on how I can make things move a little faster, or if you know anything. Like right now I'm looking for an international shipping company, and this is some of my co-workers running around here. There's Aaron over there, yeah. That's Raquel and Kate, some of my faves. Yeah, so I'm looking for an international shipping company. I know there's FedEx in Jamaica and there's FedEx here. Somebody told me to look into FedEx opening a business account to send crates, because they do crates. So we'll see how that goes. I'm going to check that out tonight. Let me see what time it is. It is 9:12. Soon I got to clock out at 9:15. Grab my things. Let me see. Got a checklist of all the stuff I need to do before I clock out of here. So let's go in the back so I can clock out. It's freezing in Pittsburgh. It is freezing. It's not a lot of snow, but it is cold. So we're going back here. That's like the bulk area. We got peanuts. The other aisle, the other side has the spices and herbs. We got cold, shaven macadamia nuts, all kinds of coconuts, shredded coconut. My locker, representing my son because he loved, loved him some Power Rangers. Look at my locker. Check out my locker. See that? A copy of my marriage license. Me and my boo thing. I love him so much. He's so wonderful. Can't wait to move to Jamaica. And then down here, you see that? That's my pledge for when I file for citizenship. I, Mrs. Maida B. Gordon, do swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, her heirs, successors, according to law, and that I will faithfully observe the laws of Jamaica and fulfill my duties as a citizen of Jamaica. So help me God. That's gonna be fun. All right, time is ticking. Time is ticking. Okay. I got to clock out of here. I guess I could just do it now. I don't know. Let's do it right now. Okay, here we go. 3, 4, 9, 5. Work numbers to get out of here. All right, Maida is punched out for the night. Hey, they don't have my married name on the punch out thing yet. I'm gonna have to ask about that. And this is our crazy break room. Guess it looks like every other job's break room, but this is it. Got our refrigerator. Of course, you know me, the Virgo. I'm always here in here cleaning up and fixing up. And keeping it in order because I hate a messy where I can't eat where it's dirty. I just can't. That's not cool. Whose is this? Richie. Okay. All right, people, I'm out. Just wanted to show a few things, say a few things. I got to get my stuff so I can get out of here. I'm going home in a minute. I'm so grateful to God. I'm right up the block. Gotta go far. Just get out of here and walk home a couple blocks. And I may or may not do a little video. But if not, love, love, and more love always, always. And once again, this is Mrs. Gordon reporting for Pittsburgh, PA. Soon will be a citizen of Jamaica. Soon. Look for me. Watch me now. Peace and love. Always.